Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today let me show you how to make Om Podi. In South India we call it as Om Podi. Oma means ajwain here. Ajwain. Actually, we extract the juice from this and then we make a batter from this, the dough from this. Okay. This is same actually. Okay, but we are not going to add any spice. Now what you should do is, I took about here 2 spoons of ajwain and I soaked it for about 8 hours. After soaking, we have to grind this adding water and then filter the juice here. Okay, this is the water. Now what you need is here, this is the gram flour. Okay, gram flour you have to take and then add the required salt. And add asafoetida. And then now add this water and make a dough. I have added the water, ajwain ka pani. Now we have to make a dough. In the meantime, I have kept oil here for frying, and you need chakli maker with this here, small holes. Okay, so don't make a very tight dough, because to press it becomes very hard. So let it be little soft. Here the dough has been made. It should be this consistency. Now what you do is, take a little oil and then spread it here. Apply here. Okay, because many times what happens, this dough sticks, so it will be very tough sometimes to press. Now fill it in the mold, the chakli, the Om Padi or save mold. Let the oil become hot. It should get heated up. Let me check if yes, it's hot enough. See, the oil should be hot, but then it should not start giving fumes. Okay, now press it like this. Now make it minimum. Wait for the sound to settle little to flip it. Okay. Now flip it. Be careful when you flip, because the oil should not splash on you. Okay. Now see, the bubble should settle. Once the bubble settles, you can remove it. Okay. Yeah, now flip it. Careful when you flip. Now let me remove it. Here, the ompodi or the kara save is ready. Trust me, this is very easy, and it can be made with just the one ingredient, that is the gram flour. This will be very tasty. Everyone will love this, because even the children will love this, because we are not adding any red chili or anything. But if you prefer, you can certainly add red chili powder. Okay, thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and get back to me. And please give me your sincere feedback. This is what I certainly prefer, whether it's negative or positive. Okay, so thank you again. This is Indira with Vela. Bye bye.